in this video, I'm going to show how to create a bent pipe that can be unfolded. So I'm going to do this in the sheet metal environment, and I'm going to start with a sketch, and I'm going to draw it on that front plane there. So basically what I'm after is going from the center, hitting the S key to go symmetric, and I'll make this 1200. And then I will come down and make this a 45-degree bend down, and I will make this say 450, and then I'll come down another 400 to place that there, and I'll do the same on the other side. So right mouse click to reset, keeps you in the command. You can see that it's picked up the relationships, so I don't need to re-enter the dimensions this time. It's just all automatic. So there's my sketch, and what I'm going to do is use that to create a contour flange. Select the sketch, right mouse click to accept, and specify 2mm wall thickness, and I'll offset inside, and I want to make this 50mm wide. So from here I am going to create a another contour flange. So if I come off here, I can go down to that edge, and you can offset the contour flange, but I'm going to go at 0 distance, and you'll see the little dot to show you where that's starting from. So we come in here, and I want to make this 50 square, so I'll put 50 in there, and I want to go halfway, so I need to leave a gap. So obviously 25 is the halfway distance, so I'm going to go 24.5 and escape and come out of there. So from here I can go and change to a contour flange, multiple flange option, and I just need to click on there, and that creates my profile. What I should have done was just come in here. I just want a little gap in here of say 0.5, and then I just want to mirror that. So I've gone one side, so I need to actually I'll just do the same thing. I'll go contour flange and pick the edge this side, and I can do the same thing. So I'm already in the line command, starting there, hover over here to pick up the relationship, and 24.5 again locks me in there. So come out of here, and like we did before, we want to go to the chain command and pick the whole edge, and that effectively gives us a actually what I should have done was come back to here, go edit, and I didn't put in the 1mm, half mil gap on the corners. So now that I have done this, I am going to so if I do a flat pattern, it's going to flatten the whole thing out. What I'm after is just the relationship between, so if it was a cut piece of box section, so I can come in here and go unbend. I pick up on this face here and choose that bend there. Right mouse click to accept. Again, choose the face, choose the bend, and open that one out. And right mouse click to finish. And finally, last one comes in here. So this gives me my profiles. As you can see, we've sort of got the cutout in here that goes back, and that gives me my box section. If I'm really want to be fussy, I could switch to the part mode and close in this cap here, but in sheet metal it won't let me do that. So hopefully this gives you some insight into how to create a box section that can be unfolded. So if I want to, I can go back to that stage, and there's my folded option as well. So hopefully this helps, and yeah, some useful information.